कोरोना वायरस और लॉकडाउन के बीच देश के 113 मिलियन प्राइवेट एवं गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के बच्चे पिछले 3 महीने से घर में कैद हैं। वहीं पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स और स्कूल को ये बात सता रही है कि स्कूलों को खोलना एवं उनका संचालन किस प्रकार बच्चों के लिए सुरक्षित बनाया जाएगा, इसे लेकर कई कयास लगाए जा रहे हैं। एचआरडी मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर रमेश पोखरियाल निशंक ने वर्तमान हालात को देखते हुए 15 अगस्त के बाद इस पर कोई फैसला लेने की बात कही है। स्कूल खोलने की प्रक्रिया पूरी स्थिति का आकलन करने के बाद ही किया जाएगा। तो क्या होंगे स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर्स प्राइवेट एवं गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में, जिससे बच्चों के स्वास्थ्य एवं उनकी सुरक्षा में किसी भी प्रकार का कोई समझौता ना हो। आइए देखते हैं हमारे स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर्स।
SOP or Standard Operating Procedures, which can be followed by private and government schools across India, a model of which has been prepared by Brain Discovery Global School in Dehradun district, Uttarakhand.
How is social distancing going to be ensured inside the campus?
We have chalked out the plan to be executed whenever COVID-19 epidemic subsides. Through sanitization, which is one of the most important precautions against this pandemic, the campus, classrooms, furniture, washrooms and high-touch areas, especially railings, stairwells, to be disinfected regularly at least 2 to 3 times a day.
What are the rules for buses or school transport going to be?
Certainly, it's not going to be the same. Frequency of sanitization, again, sanitization of buses before going en route and after deboarding. Drivers, conductors, and nannies to wear masks and gloves. Thermal testing of students to be conducted before boarding the bus. How is going to be the security check at the entry level to avoid any mistake? Thermal testing of all students, irrespective of school or own transport users, to avoid any confusion. Wet sanitizer pads to sanitize shoes at the school gates. Every student covers his face with mask to avoid getting infected. Social distancing to ensure security at the campus. So how is it going to be? Earmarking on the pathway and corridor for students to maintain safe distance to avoid the scope of gathering. Teachers or monitors to be on duty at every turn points or stairs.
How to ensure social distancing inside classrooms?
According to CBSE guidelines, maximum strength of a class must not exceed 30. So, only 15 students in a class to be called at a time. Only one student sits on one bench. Furniture to be placed at a safe distance. Students may be called in 2 shifts or alternate days, either on the basis of school transport or on the basis of roll numbers. Schools having more than 30 students in a class may conduct 2 shifts in a day.
What is the plan for school schedule? Will it be revised?
Yes, the starting time could be 8 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. so that children have breakfast before coming to school. Assemblies will be cancelled till the situation normalizes. All activities such as sports, dance classes, extra activities which might defeat social distancing will be postponed. Timetable will include only 5 main subjects. Each period to be of not more than 30 minutes.
What will be the duration of the school?
Maximum 3 hours will be the school duration. There will be no lunch break to avoid infection through sharing of food by students. Children will carry their own water bottles. Children will carry small sanitizer bottle with them. 10 minutes will be allotted to HR period, that is homeroom. So, what is the purpose of this homeroom period? Since children are going through a very tough time, it is important for them to have motivational and positive thoughts. Also, talks on improving their immunity could be conducted. After every period, next teacher in the class will ensure sanitization of hands. Children stand up to wish the teacher with the command of 1, 2, 3. Students sanitize their hands and sit. This will be in order to form a habit. Last period to be compulsorily the class teacher's period. So, in order to ensure smooth duties during this health emergency period. And also to have smooth dispersal and responsibility.
How are the students going to board the buses? Dispersal is a big challenge.
Yeah, teachers or monitors to be on duty for supervision at different checkpoints. Examples: test, turn points, while boarding buses. Since dispersal might take a little longer time, one class to be moving out of the class to ensure social distancing.
Dear parents, we completely understand your worry and concern regarding your child, but remain assured, children are not objects for experiment. As you know, Corona has no cure, no vaccine. Precaution is the only treatment available as of now. So be hopeful. Work on building your child's immunity through yoga, balanced diet and hygiene. Download the Arogya Setu app and the Ayush Mantralaya app for the guidelines. Not coming in contact with the infected patient is the only cure available. So whether to send your child to school or not is entirely your discretion. Thank you and all the best.